Can you talk to Buster? Say hi, Buster. Look. Say hi, Buster. Hey, Buster. Don't pick the doggy's nose. Say hi. Yeah. That's right. Say good doggy. It's a good doggy, huh? Oh, are we coming up? Oh. It's a good doggy. Aww. Be nice to Buster. Gentle touches. Don't touch his eye. That's not nice. Hey, say bye-bye.